Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Samike channel. In this channel we'll share healthy tips and beauty tips. In today's video we are going to show you some natural ways that you are going to follow to get a strong and thick healthy sperm. There will be no source of grinding or blending of any sort in today's video. We are going to show you things you should be doing in order to get a strong, thick, healthy sperm. If today is your first time of stopping by to our channel and watch our video, please do subscribe to our channel, like it, and click on the notification button so that you will get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for stopping by to watch our channel. The number one fruits you should be taking to boost your sperm is to be taking fruits that contains a lot of vitamins and mineral. The number one of this kind of fruit is blackberries and newberries. Blackberries and newberries are known to be rich in a lot of vitamins and minerals. One raw cup of blackberry contains 30 mg of vitamin C. And blackberry also is a great source of vitamin K. It also helps for oral health. And the most important of all is that blackberries help men to maintain a strong erection. And some substances found in blueberries relax blood vessels. And it provides better circulation of blood in our body. As we all know, good erection has a lot of things to do with blood circulation. So if your blood circulation is flowing well, there will be guarantee that you have a good erection as well. The number two things you are going to do to get a strong and thick sperm cell is to be taking fruit like dates, especially the dry one. Dried dates are good because it helps men to provide sexual health and improve their sperm count. And again, the number three things you are going to do to get a thick and a strong sperm is to always have a stress-free day. That is number three. Don't always stress yourself too much to make money. Always provide time for relaxation. Have a leisure time for yourself. This will enable you to have a thick and strong sperm, especially when you start taking some of all these fruits that I mentioned in this video. Stress will put you under pressure, and this is not good for your sexual health. The number four things you are going to do is to make sure that you consume foods that will provide you with zinc. Very important. Zinc is essential for a thicker and strong sperm. You are going to be taking some fruits that will enable you to have enough of zinc in your body. And what are these kind of fruits that you will be taking that will provide you with zinc? The fruits you should be taking to give you zinc is fruit like the avocado pear. The avocado pear will help your body to produce zinc naturally, and this will help to boost the sperm cell in your body. And the number five things that you are going to do to make your sperm thicker and stronger is not to be taking medication out of experience or your knowledge. Don't take any medication that is not being prescribed to you by your doctor. Always take medication according to the doctors or pharmacists prescriptions. Don't do it yourself, or do it because you know someone else that have taken such drugs and it works for them. Don't do it, because most of the antibiotics that we take are not good for our body, and this reduces the sperm count in our body. Please, if today is the first time you are stopping by to watch our channel, please subscribe to our channels, like it, and share it, and click on the notification button so that you will be notified each time we upload a new video on our channel. Thank you for stopping by. See you next time.